Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Oxford University's eVision account. Let's get started. So to log into your Oxford University's eVision account, what you have to do is first of all open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you have to search for Oxford University's eVision login. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just tap on this third option which says Student System / Academic Support - University of Oxford. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now you just have to scroll down, and the right side of your screen you can find Login to eVision option. So just tap on it. After tapping on that option, now you will come up to this login page of Oxford University's, and now what you can do is just simply enter your Oxford University's username. After entering your Oxford University's username, what you can do is just tap on next. After tapping on next, now what you have to do is just select any one of these options. So if you want to log into your personal account, just select personal account, or if you want to log into your work or school account, you can select that. So I would like to log into my work or school account. So after selecting the option, now what you have to do is just enter your account's password. And after entering your account's password, just tap on sign in, and after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just tap on forgotten my password. So you shouldn't tap on this option which says forgotten my password, but what you have to do is just go back to your email address page. So here you have to enter your email address, right? So from here in the bottom of your screen, here you can see this option which says reset your single sign-on password. So now what you have to do is just tap on this option, and by tapping on that option you will reset and record your Oxford University's password. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that option you can just easily create a new password for your account. After creating a new password, just come back to this enter your password section, and from here what you can do is just enter the new password that you have created. After entering that new password, just tap on sign in, and you'll successfully sign into your account. So if you are unable to create a new password for your account, then what you can do is just tap on active a new account. By activating a new account, you can use that new account, or you can just simply enter the new password, or you can just simply enter your email address and password, then tap on sign in. So that's it guys, this is how to sign into your Oxford University's eVision account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.